Good morning, everyone. This is a typical Sunday morning. Getting ready for my morning kayak. Gorgeous flat water. And I'm just about to take off from the boat. And we'll see you soon. The first part of my kayak is past Blue Agave and past the restaurant, our local watering hole. Charles is nice enough to get me my morning tea. Thank you, dear. There's more information being given here. Oh my gosh, one just jumped up. How cool! Where'd he go? Where'd he go? He was right here. It scared the hell out of me. Where'd he go?